y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. Today we are trying on something I've never tried before. This is Origins. It is Blooming Shine Nourishing Lip Glaze. Now this is going to be like the 6th one I've tried on today, so I think they need a little bit of help today. This is Darling Dahlia. Look at the cuteness. I'm sorry, all my lights are reflecting on it really bad. Blooming Shine. Here we go. Just a little wash of color. It did deepen the look of my lips. And it does leave a good shine. So if you like some sparkle, like I do, you'll probably like this. It is leaving my lips very, you know, you want to rub them together because they feel so soft and not sticky, but, you know. What do y'all think? Y'all comment below. Let me know what you think of the color. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.